One of the important thought which came in our mind while developing the plan for the redevelopment was, can we pedestrianize the inner circle? And how can we connect uh, the movement in the inner circle to the movement outside outer circle? Now, historically, as Connaught Place was, it was served by a public transport which was operating on the outer circle. We had bus stops at Scindia House, Madras Hotel, Plaza, Super Bazaar, and so on. And then people would walk in through the different radial roads into the inner circle, which had the Central Park, the attraction of Connaught Place. The interesting thing which has happened since it was built in 1935, and in 1995 we had metro coming in. So we have two important metro lines coming at Rajiv Chowk. One going from the Barakhamba side to the Pachkuya Road, another one coming in from Patel Chowk and going across to New Delhi station from near Minto Road. Now this system of metro is served by 8 vomitories in the inner circle, and they bring people out from here, and they get filtered into Connaught Place and also go over to extension roads like Barakhamba Road, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Janpad, Sansad Marg, Baba Khadak Singh Marg, Shahid Bhagat Singh Marg, and so on, and also on State Entry Road and Minto Road. What we also have is a number of bus stops on each of these extension roads which are marked as brown. Now these are about, say, 100 meters, 150 meters away or before the outer circle. So these two things, the vomitories and the bus stop, they generate the traffic in and out from public transport side. And what we thought, the challenge before us is that can we do some amount of pedestrianization or total pedestrianization in the inner circle and provide connectivity to each of the block through the radial roads on a pedestrian system. So that is what we embarked on. So first and foremost was to connect the inner circle to the extension roads across the outer circle. So we already had 5 subways, one at KG Marg crossing, Janpath, another one at Sansad Marg, at Baba Khadak Singh Marg, and one at Super Bazaar. But that would not provide connectivity to all the 12 extension roads which we have, and some of them are very important and draw a lot of people move up and down across that. So we identified that where all we have movement across the outer circle, and we introduced 9 subways. First was at Barakhamba Road, which attracts a lot of traffic. Then after Super Bazaar near Shankar Market, because that market also attracts a lot of people from Connaught Place to Shankar Market, to and fro. Similarly, near State Entry Road. Another important one was at the crossing of outer circle with Chelmsford Road and Basant Lane, so multiple orientation, multiple direction, and we had that. Then at Panchkuya Road, and the last one at Madras Hotel, the P block that gets connected because it has number of eateries which is very, very interesting and historically there. So this was the overall connectivity plan, and then we went into the detail that what all do we need. Assuming that the pedestrianization would be done over a period of time, we thought that okay, let's first connect the movement for pedestrians across the outer circle. So we examined the existing subways. These had steps in it, inside it, access to it was through steps, and it was not able to serve the purpose of all types of citizens who may be elderly persons, children, and disabled. So what we thought that we must introduce ramps wherever possible into the subways, and also provide a connectivity through bicycle across Connaught Place from, let's say, Chelmsford Road, if we have a ramp which we had proposed, entry and exit, and let's say on the opposite side KG Marg, which has been built already with a ramp in it. And similarly the proposal was at Baba Khadak Singh Marg. So 4 such systems of movement which would permit seamless movement for bicycles across. Then looking at the contemporary requirement, we thought that each of these subways must have escalators for the faster movement, and even people who are carrying some shopping material or something, they could easily move. So we thought that each of the 5 subways we would upgrade them and introduce these 9 ones with the similar facilities of escalators, staircases, ramps wherever possible, and so on. So that was the idea or development of these subways. So total there would be 13 subways, and they would connect the entire Connaught Place from the extension roads or outside outer circle to the outer circle, and through that to the inner circle, and also integrate the Palika parking and Palika Bazaar into the system. The pedestrianization was planned as a sequential scheme, a phased scheme, that initially we would have the inner road working as a vehicular system with parking, but gradually we would take over the parking once the parking is provided either under this inner circle or outside on the extension roads by NDMC. So gradually we will take over, and gradually we will make it a completely a pedestrian inner circle, which would connect the core of Connaught Place through these vomitories and through the shopping in the inner circle, which is the most lively activity and attracts almost 50,000 people during peak hours. So they could come in, and then they, through the radial roads, we would have footpaths, and across the middle circle we would have tabletop connections, so that pedestrians, they get priority all through, and through a subway they could come onto the extension roads and enjoy the activities which are on extension roads like Janpath or Sansad Marg or Baba Khadak Singh Marg or Barakhamba Road. So they could move on. So there could be a complete pedestrian system from the extension roads almost up to 200-300 meters into Connaught Place. So almost a half a kilometer of radial connections, which could be completely providing priority to the pedestrians, and thereafter you have the climax, the Central Park and the inner shopping, the inner circle shopping. So this is how the total scheme works for all the pedestrians into this. They would get the priority over the vehicular system, and gradually we thought that step by step we could achieve the total pedestrianization of inner circle. So with this concept in mind, we prepared the total detailed plan that keeping the target of a total pedestrianization of the inner circle, how in a phased manner we can do take up the construction of subways, construction of footpaths, construction of tabletop connections across vehicular movement wherever it is, and how we can organize the parking so that pedestrians would always get priority, and they would be able to move freely into this 30-hectare heritage precincts unobstructed, and enjoy their time in this place. So with this in mind, detailed plan for each of the sector with improving its road geometry, improving pedestrian areas, and also integrating landscaping and signage with it. We prepared the entire scheme.